to stop, the human trafficking. This is when the legal framework is recognized by United Nations. It's a United Nations Convention, and since Ethiopia is one of the signatory country, this legal framework is part and parcel of the Ethiopian legal system. Based on this international legal framework, Ethiopia have produced so many provisions and the proclamations. So far, it's good in my view. But the problem here is, especially specific to Ethiopia, at federal level, there is a strong commitment to alleviate or to stop, this women trafficking. The awareness and even the actions and using different instruments to alleviate this problem. The effort so far at federal level is seems to be good, but the problem is at regional level, at local district administrative, there is no equal understanding between federal and government, even between law enforcement agencies. That is a problem. The federal government formulates the law, but the implementer is the local government, the district government at RC level. But even it's not at public level. Even within law enforcement organs, there is a confusion to understand these legal frameworks. And because of that, I think its implementation have a problem. And as I have suggested, public awareness is very important. Clear understanding between government officials, between anti-trafficking institutions and law enforcement agencies, that is very important. But beyond that, the issue of economy, the issue of poverty is very serious, as of me. That is very important and very critical. That is the root causes. Unless, the material issue, the poverty issue is addressed, it can be at the local government, at the regional level, unless that issue is addressed, it's really difficult to mitigate or to alleviate the issues of human trafficking. It has, as I said, it has so many complicated issues. Even the surprising issue is, even there is a loophole within legal framework also. The law enforcement organs, even since the proclamation didn't clarify who is the trafficker. It's not clear even for law enforcement agencies. They are not clear because in a recruitment of women trafficking, the families are involved, the friends are relatives, neighbors are involved, and the rural recruiters at village level are involved, the traffickers, the PAs are involved. But who are the traffickers really? It's not clear. Can we say the families, the peer groups, the friends who are participating in this process, are they trafficker or not? Are they criminal or not? It's not clear. Because of that, really, no one wants to expose a trafficker in a public. They don't want to expose. They don't want to give their testimonies, or they don't want to testify before court. So even the serious problem is no one see human trafficking as a crime. That's the problem. Because human trafficking is highly socially embedded issues. So because of that,
sorry, excuse me, may I ask you to end your discussion, because I would like to go to the next opponent.
Thanks.
So, okay, if not.